Alright, here we go with the 20 horse opposed twin. It's coming along. There's the old block. It's just nothing but a block. That's it. Just another stupid block. I'm probably gonna turn that into a cutaway. That's all it's really worth for, rather that or a boat anchor. But this engine here, it's got amazing compression in both cylinders, as opposed to the 18 horse that had like nothing. I was running on like almost one cylinder, pretty much. Let me get this down here. Ugh. Okay, listen. Okay. It's just immaculate compression. But you get the idea.